In yaw, we have the rudder. And of course, we have flaps and slats, as well as ground spoilers. With all this fly-by-wire, the aircraft flies like any other jet transport, except with more stability. But what happens in case of failure of a system? The fault and the checklist appears on the ECAM. At the same time, an alternate system takes over, while we follow the checklist. In this case, we reset the system. To sum it all up, what you will do at Airbus training are all the things that you've always done. But now you'll have better tools. Tools that you have always wanted to do them with greater efficiency and better safety. In our experience, we have found that you don't need to be a different person in order to learn this aircraft. On the contrary, normal pilot skills and discipline are the foundation of this training course. However, like in any new aircraft type, you will learn some new skills, as well as consolidate some old ones. The Airbus family simply empowers good pilots to be better pilots. Our job at Airbus training is simply to keep you on course. I'll be seeing you soon.
Airbus A320, we are now ready for takeoff.
Airbus A320, you're cleared for takeoff, runway 33 left.